Welcome back to Product Critique, the place where we break down the best of the best in home gadgets and smart protection. Today, we're bringing you what we believe is the best smoke detector and carbon monoxide combo alarm on the market, the DFGJLVF Interconnected Smoke and Carbon Monoxide Detector 6-pack. Let's start with what makes this alarm system truly stand out. This device is a powerful 2-in-1 alarm that integrates both smoke and carbon monoxide detection into a single compact unit. Equipped with advanced photoelectric smoke sensors and electrochemical CO sensors, it offers reliable and rapid detection of two deadly threats, fire and carbon monoxide. No need to install two separate devices in every room, this one has you covered on both fronts. The entire system is wireless and interconnected, which means when one alarm goes off, they all go off. That's crucial during an emergency where every second counts. Whether you're asleep upstairs or working in the garage, the interconnected feature ensures the whole house is instantly alerted. And you don't have to worry about pairing each unit, they come pre-linked out of the box. The installation is plug and play, with no complex wiring or syncing required. Powering this protection is a built-in 10-year lithium battery. That's right, no more changing batteries every 6 months. It's sealed, maintenance-free, and delivers a full decade of operation without needing a single replacement. Plus, all the mounting hardware comes included, so setup is fast and hassle-free. Now let's talk about one of the most useful features, the real-time LCD display. This screen shows current CO levels in parts per million along with battery status, so you can stay informed at all times. It also includes smart LED indicators, red for CO alert, blue for smoke alert. This makes it easy to identify what triggered the alarm. And thanks to its dense sensor design, the device responds quickly to real threats while minimizing false alarms. You're also getting serious peace of mind when it comes to safety certifications. So you're not just taking our word for it, this product has gone through rigorous safety evaluations. And if anything goes wrong, you're backed by lifetime US-based customer support and a free replacement service. All of this comes in a sleek, modern design that fits into any room, and with coverage up to 980 feet, these detectors are ideal for full home protection. Whether it's a studio apartment or a multi-level house, you'll have reliable coverage wall-to-wall. So there you have it, dual sensor technology, wireless interlinking, real-time display, 10-year battery life, and trusted certification. The DFGJLVF Interconnected Smoke and Carbon Monoxide Detector is more than just a safety device. It's an investment in your family's long-term protection. If you're ready to take your home safety to the next level, check out the link in the description to learn more. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss a review from Product Critique. Stay safe, and see you in the next one.